Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for virtual's price prediction based on Elliott Wave analysis. We're gonna start with virtual a little bit on the daily here to see what's going on in the macro level, and then we dive inside it to see what is this move from virtual. So we have 1, 2, 3 here, potential wave 4 in WXNY, and you're looking probably here for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as a wave 1, ABC for wave 2, and a push for a wave 3 towards the upside that it might be unfolding. However, of course, this is for the bullish, but for this, we still need, of course, a signal, a continuation toward the upside, a broken diagonal, ending diagonal, or leading diagonal, in case this is a leading diagonal as well. Can be for something bigger here as in just W, X, and a Y. It can be something even much more as an ABC, as a bigger W, X, and a Y, what I mean with it. And we gotta be careful with it. It's still not yet, of course, 100% sure that we are in a 1-2 here. We still need the micro level to confirm it. Yeah. So on the micro level here, after this drop from virtuals in 3 ways down, as you can see, we might still be in a diagonal. Yeah. So as you mentioned, in a bigger time frame, you might still be in a diagonal. This is your bearish. Okay. In case, of course, we continue for one more drop, especially after this move here. But the good thing here is that we took the invalidation. Yeah, so we took invalidation of bearish, the invalidation of this impulse, which was somehow aggressive a little bit over there. Yeah, so if we dive a little bit inside here, we can see that we have also kind of like a 3 waves over there. It's not a clear impulse, but yeah, what if, of course, internally on the very micro level, 1, 2, and then, of course, you're looking here for something as 3 waves, and then 3 waves, meaning your wave 2, it should be there, right? Because we cannot, here is very clear 3 waves. We cannot, of course, say it's an impulse. So something as in WXNY, which is very rare case for a wave 2, much more higher possibility for a wave B, meaning an A, B, and a C is very likely unfolding towards the upside. Now, if this is happening as a wave C and leading diagonal, can be even another A, B, and a C, your leading diagonal starting from there. But actually, your wave 4 here is already longer than your wave 2. If we take the 1-to-1 here, you can see, of course, it's much longer, which it makes it, of course, the rare probability here for an expanding diagonal. Yeah, so therefore, I prefer to take it as an A, B, and a C here, unfolding as an ending diagonal. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. So we're expecting zigzags. So you're expecting also here a zigzag. You want to finish this impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave B, wave C for wave 3, and then 4 and a 5. So this is my highest probability so far, since we got, of course, a confirmation that the impulse downward is invalidated. So it can still be something corrective. I'm not saying that it cannot be something still corrective and pushing downward, because, of course, this is a very complex structure, I would say. It's not clear yet if it is bullish. For bullish, you need, of course, something much better than this, I would say, especially with the 3 waves here. So that is a question mark. Yeah. So what's going on? Is it a wave 1, 2, or is it an A, B, and a C? Currently, I can count only a wave C so far, until, of course, we break something very massive for wave 3. Then I can count something, of course, as a 1, 2 here potentially. Then I have to take it as kind of like a diagonal 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, leading diagonal ABC wave 2, and then wave 3. But this is still too early to call it. Yeah, so it's very early to call it, because yeah, we might still have something here corrective. Now WXNY also is a possibility. WXNY meaning simply a zigzag there, that it might be unfolding until here. So be careful with this one as well. This is a very, very high probability because of the complexity again over there with the 3 waves. Also here, I don't like it. So it looks very complex, guys. So 3 waves, 3 waves, 3 waves potentially. Also, we have to be careful that it might drop down again. So I would say also the wave Y, it's not necessarily to be even a zigzag here. So if you're wondering what it might be as well, it can be, of course, triangle, A, B, C, D, and an E. Or it can be, of course, kind of like, an A, B, C, D, and an E, and then pushing down. Or it can be a flat here, or a zigzag. Yeah, so one of these three possibilities. So yeah, very, very scary. So be careful also from the triangle of the wave Y. It is, of course, can be a trap, and it can be in confluence within this trend toward the downside of the diagonal, meaning something like this, yeah, like A, B, C, D, and E, because I see the A, the C right now are fitting so perfectly. So be careful from getting this very complex structure as a wave Y here, then dropping down. And that means, of course, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here as a diagonal. So virtuals is still, of course, a question mark. Now, a signal for bullish is breaking above this line, breaking above the 1-to-1 fib level here, and then pushing bullish in a wave 3. That was it for virtuals. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye. Before you leave, make sure to join our private Discord community. There you will get daily updates faster than YouTube, plus exclusive bonus trading signals for the gold, silver, Bitcoin, and stocks. You can also request one special technical analysis every day and get access even to our only members video on YouTube and also on Discord. And stay ahead, of course, with economic and political news that actually moves the market. And of course, we do regular Q&A sessions, so you can get your questions answered directly in the Discord. And of course, if you're serious about leveling your trading, the Discord link is below in the description and in the comments. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments, and see you in the next one. Bye-bye.